राजधानी दिल्ली के भारत मंडपम में आयोजित इंडिया एआई समिट 2026 के दौरान एआई एंड मीडिया अपॉर्चुनिटीज, रिस्पॉन्सिबल पाथवेज एंड द रोड अहेड विषय पर एक अहम सत्र आयोजित किया गया। इस विचार विमर्श में अमर उजाला समूह के एमडी तन्मय माहेश्वरी, इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप की कलीपुरी, दैनिक भास्कर समूह के पवन अग्रवाल, बेनेट कोलमैन ग्रुप के मोहित जैन, द हिंदू के नवनीत एलवी, आईएनएमए के रॉबर्ट व्हाइटहेड और ईवाई समूह के आशीष वेरवानी शामिल हुए। मीडिया जगत के इन दिग्गजों ने बदलते मीडिया परिदृश्य में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यानी कि एआई की संभावनाओं, चुनौतियों और जिम्मेदार उपयोग पर विस्तार से चर्चा की। इस दौरान अमर उजाला समूह के एमडी तन्मय माहेश्वरी ने कहा कि इंडिया भाषाओं में एआई मॉडलों की सटीकता फिलहाल 50 से 55% से भी कम है। उन्होंने सैम ऑल्टमैन के बयान का हवाला देते हुए कहा कि एआई का भविष्य चुनौतीपूर्ण हो सकता है, लेकिन इसे जिम्मेदारी के साथ विकसित करना हमारी सामूहिक जिम्मेदारी है। कलीपुरी के 9 सूत्रीय एजेंडे का समर्थन करते हुए उन्होंने इसे लागू करने के लिए प्रमुख सुझाव रखे। तो ऐसे में आइए आपको बताते हैं क्या थे वो प्रमुख सुझाव।
And see, this is a very famous quote, by, the famous Sam Altman. And, he said that AI will lead to the end of the world. But till then, we'll make some great companies. Now, it can be a dark humor, for all of us. But whenever, we build for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, for our, children, right? We are just patrons, right? We have been, given this world and we have to, hand over the world in a very nice manner. So Kali's 9-point agenda is great. And I thought that how can we actually get it done, right? How do we, execute it? So I have a 5-point execution plan, to top it up.
Super.
So number one point is that can the government and big tech label the source of original verified content and create a signature around it? It's very easily, done. You can, have a, blockchain technology to do it. Simple to do thing. What it will actually lead to is the second point of a point, that is a traceability. So once you know that from where this thing has come, you can actually get back to that person, which, reduces the risk of people trying to manipulate minds, because then they know that they can be caught. The third point, which I had noted, just give me a second, sorry, is data access to emerging Indian models. See the problem, and which Robert also said, that most of the Western models don't even access to proper Indian data. We don't have healthcare data in India. We don't have public transportation data in India. We don't have regulatory data in India. We don't have criminal record data in India. None of it is actually digitized. So if we don't have the data, how can it even get trained on? And government must open these models for us, for all the Indian groomed organizations, to basically build on it and train on it. My last point is on the infrastructure. And maybe I'm asking for too much, but infrastructure has to be built by the government. Who is building the roads? Who is building the dams? Who is building highways? Who is building the airports initially, not now? It is always the government who would begin building the infrastructure, public would use it, and then you will have private players coming in and doing that. China is a classic use case, right? Government has invested hugely. And I think so, this very AI, entourage today over here, you had queues of, people, to get in, shows the, interest of this country and the, commitment of the, government. And I really hope that this very baby, move, will lead to a much, much bigger leap. But without Indian infrastructure, without government giving enough chips, enough data, I don't think so even talking about an Indian model is a logical thing to do. Because there's a, saying, in Hindi, which I'll use right now, कि पानी के ऊपर मलाई कभी भी नहीं जमती है. You need to have milk to have cream over it. You cannot have cream over water.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन दबाएं और Facebook पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।